Hey guys, it's Zaki here, and today in this video I'll be building a $600 gaming PC. So with no further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the case. For the case we have the THERMALTAKE Versa N21, and I have to say that the design of this is just awesome. The glossy black finish makes the case look awesome. The front panel contains of one USB 3 ports and two USB 2 ports, and as well as an HD microphone jack and a headphone jack. The case has 120mm rear exhaust fan and two optional 120mm intake fan with an integrated photo system, and all this comes just for $54.99. Moving on with the motherboard. For the motherboard, we used the MSI 970 Gaming. This motherboard supports AMD HYPERX Phenom 2 Athlon 2 sampling processor for AM3 plus software, and it also supports DDR3 memory clocked at 2133 MHz. It has the USB 3 including SATA 6GB per second slot. It has Audio Boost 2, which provides insane sound quality. It also has the Sound Blaster Cinema 2. It has gaming device port which are optimized with triple gold plating, and however all this comes just for $89.99. Next up in the list is this processor. For the processor we have the AMD FX A320 8-core CPU. The CPU can be overclocked up to 4 GHz and has a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz, which is perfect for gaming and productivity. It has an 8 MB L2 or L3 cache, and it also has 8 cores, which makes it run like a beast. And all this is coming for $139.80. Moving on to the GPU. For the GPU, I use the GeForce GTX 960 4GB DDR5. This GPU has a clock speed of 1190 MHz and is overclockable up to 1342 MHz. It has optimized swept fan blades, which keeping the GPU 26% more cooler with 36% extra GPU power. It has 3 display ports, 1 HDMI port and 1 DVI port, and obviously it allows dual monitor gaming. However, this GPU is built for DirectX 12, and all this comes just for $194.99. Now we have the RAM. For the RAM, I use the KINGSTON HYPERX Fury 8GB DDR3 RAM running at 1866 MHz. HYPERX Fury DDR3 memory automatically overclocks up to 1866 MHz for hassle-free plug-and-play functionality that gets you in the game faster and instant top-level performance that helps you do your work perfectly with low voltage as low as 1.35 volts, and obviously all this is coming just for $34.99. Next up in the list we have the HDD. For the HDD, I use the Western Digital AV GP 1TB hard drive, which comes for $40. The HDD has a 64 MB case with a SATA 6GB per second speed, which is just great. Okay, now finally we have the power supply. For the power supply, I use the EVGA 500 watt bronze, which is perfect for this build, and it is really awesome. Besides, if you wish to spend a little more and want to add an SSD to the build, then you can have it for $37.99, which is the Kingston Digital 120GB. So that's basically it for today, guys. If you guys have enjoyed the video, if you did, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe for more contents like this. I will be uploading videos, minimum one video each week, so make sure to subscribe. Like my Facebook page from the link in the description box down below. Follow me on Twitter at Ahsan01Zakir. And until then, take care. And obviously, one point to be noted, you guys may see that I lose some couple of subscribers, and the main reason is YouTube did this different process called YouTube Purge. So what it does is it basically you will lose your inactive subscribers. So it's better now I can keep a track on my active subscribers. And thank you to all the people for being active in my channel and watching my videos, and also thank you to everyone for giving me feedbacks so that I can make better videos, and I hope more feedbacks so that I can do much better in the future. So this is Zakir from Zakir's Tech. Goodbye. Peace.